If you're having problems with the print quality of your Dymo label printer and you've tried the cleaning that you might have seen in our other video and it's still not working, don't automatically blame the machine itself. So in this instance, there was 2 faulty cartridges. It could be the cartridge that is faulty. So if you have a look here, can you see the print quality there is not correct? We have damage all across the middle, and if you have a look at this one here, again you can see damage across the middle. And if you look at this one here, you can barely read what it says. It should be 5645, but the 5 is half missing, and there's missing bits from the other numbers as well. But yet, with new cartridges, can you see that these are all perfect, and these are from the same one here. So you might automatically blame the machine if you were to put in one cartridge and it was faulty, and then put in a second cartridge and it was also faulty. You're going to think it's the machine, but it would be worth just trying maybe 1 or 2 more cartridges, because in this instance here, the machine isn't faulty, it was these 2 that are faulty, and these 2 are absolutely perfect. We did unravel one of the faulty ones, and you can actually see the damage is on the cartridge before even printing. That was just unraveling the cartridge itself. So it's just a very quick video just to let you know, don't automatically assume the fault is with this if you have more than one cartridge that is faulty. Thanks for watching.